Deborah. Are you confident you have what it takes to defeat that Earthling?
Of course. I will have no trouble at all exterminating that trash.
Huh? He's at full power!
No! Impossible! Where did all that energy come from?
That's right. Vegeta and my dad are both fighting at a level beyond Super Saiyan. The damage they're each taking must be massive.
He's coming out! Majin Buu's coming out!
Well, with him at full power now, then I might as well try to do what I can to stop him.
Oh, it's empty.
No! That's not right! It can't be empty! Come out, Majin Buu! Come out right now! Majin Buu!
Too bad, Bobbity. Majin Buu met his end with that last attack. I'll hold Bobbity at bay. Gohan, you take care of Deborah. Once we've done that, we'll have finally put an end to Bobbity's evil plan.
I can feel an incredible ki. It's swelling up. It's...
Huh?
It's the smoke that came out of the ball earlier.
A cloud? No! It's the smoke from before.
What is that?
Wait, is that thing Majin Buu?
Yes, I could never forget that menacing face.
So it is Majin Buu, then?
That's Majin Buu?
Hi there, Majin Buu. I'm Bobbity, the son of your creator, Bibbidi. You've been sealed in that ball for a very long time, but I've gotten you out. I am your new master. Hey! What are you doing? I'm your master! Don't you ignore me!
What a buffoon. I'm not exactly sure what happened, but it seems we have failed. After all that trouble, we have nothing but this powerless sack of fat to show for it. You want to challenge me, the great Deborah?
The dreaded demon of destruction, Majin Buu.
That was incredible! Very good, Majin Buu!
His ki. Majin Buu's ki just skyrocketed. It's huge. He's too powerful. I don't believe this.
This wasn't how things were supposed to go. I was confident we could defeat Babidi and prevent Majin Buu's revival. If only... If only I had known from the beginning that you mortals could have achieved so much more power, far beyond that of my own. We could have made use of that method.
Huh? That method? What do you mean?
Majin Buu! Listen to me, Majin Buu! Are you really sure you want to ignore me? I've read my father's notes. I know how to seal you back in that ball. Yes, good. That's right. Listen, Majin Buu. Here is your first order. I want you to kill those two over there.
I don't know if I can win, but one thing's for sure. He can't be left alone. If he gets out of here, the body count could reach catastrophic levels. It's now or never. I don't know if we can handle this guy. Barely having an effect on him. Here I go! Is this guy invincible or something? Now this is beyond the level of Super Saiyan. They're not working at all. He's unbelievable. Nothing's hurting him.
You abuse me! You go bye-bye! Hey, Trunks! Which one's the Majin?
Beats me, I don't know any of these guys.
Oh, and Majin Buu, feel free to finish the Supreme Kai off.
Boo, hungry! Boo, eat this guy!
Oh, Deborah, you're still alive.
Lord Bobbity, this creature, Majin Buu, is not like the others. He will not serve you as your loyal servant. He must be eliminated immediately.
Boo, gotta eat you!
You insolent little...
Turn into cookie!
Magnificent. Very good, Majin Buu.
Piccolo, what's going on?
The spell's broken.
What are you two doing here?
Ah!
What about you guys? What are you doing here?
Well, we were statues until just now. But it looks like that creep who spit on us died, and everyone's back to normal. What is this unbelievable energy? No, it can't be. Is that Majin Buu?
Majin Buu, devour this fool as well.
Okay, okay!